Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be reviewing this AUFGELD mic that I've purchased from Amazon, just to give my videos a little bit better quality. That I noticed that my sound wasn't good because I was doing video records. So this is the first little bit of audio I've bought for my phone, my laptop and my DSLR. I will be looking to get further audio equipment to make that sound even better, but this one is just a little review on a small little item that I bought, which is called AUFGELD. In the packet, so if I open this up, you do get some pins and a attachment to attach that onto your t-shirt or your shirt in order to be able to get the sound. It comes in this nice little pouch as well, which is really useful. So I've got the sound on right now, so I'm just going to take it off and I'll show you what this looks like. So I've attached it basically to my shirt like so, and it attaches like this, and you can sort of record the sound via this device. So very useful. It's like tiny little things, but you know the lead is quite long, so you can sort of stretch it out. But I bought one like this purely because of the fact that I sort of may be doing a more sort of kind of blog based videos, and I didn't want a mic sort of sticking out very much. I wanted something a bit less in your face. So I bought this just to try it really. So it is the AUFGELD mic that I'm reviewing here, and I'm testing this sound just to give you an indication of what it's like. And obviously I've taken it off, and now you know the sound is you know, there's a bit distance from me to the sound, so you can see that there's probably a difference between here and probably here as well. So yeah, the AUFGELD sound, this is what we're reviewing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Quite a straightforward little bit of kit. So I'm gonna be putting this on and recording, and the next thing I'm gonna be showing is a ring light that I've purchased to get better lighting as well. So yeah, thank you.